Okay, so it's cooling down here in the coastal Carolinas, but that's all right. We've got fries frying in the fryer. Got some ribeyes, 30-day aged from America's Choice Gourmet. And they've been in the sous vide now for about 2.5 hours. Getting ready to pull those out and sear them, but it's not about the steaks tonight. You've seen me make, if you follow my channel, the ribeyes, but tonight it's about the sides. I'm making pub fries. Taking deep fry some Ribeye shoestring French fries. Get them nice and golden brown. Then I toss them in some Parmesan cheese and some truffle oil, white truffle oil. That's good stuff. It's good living. Okay, so we got our draft beer. Perfect spring refreshments. I've got a little Parmesan cheese ready. I've got my white truffle oil. So we had to take our nice crispy, fresh out of the deep fryer golden French fries, and you can hear they're perfect. Put them right in there with the Parmesan. Start to toss. Start to coat those fries with that Parmesan. We're gonna add a little more. Keep tossing. And then just a little bit of truffle oil. You don't want to overwhelm your fries. So I put a finger over the spout and give it just a little dash. You don't need a lot, just a little. Ooh, but that truffle flavor, it really is incredible. So we just keep tossing, and those nice, warm, hot fries, fresh out of the fryer, start to soak in that oil, and they start to melt that grated Parmesan cheese, and it coats them just perfectly. Perfect pub fries. Scrump delicious. Okay, so we have our second batch in the fryer, and we're now tossed with Parmesan and truffle oil. Scrump delicious. Perfect. It's gonna go so good with those ribeyes.
We got truffle fries.
What?
We got truffle fries.
Truffle fries.
And they're not truffle flies.
They're truffle fries.
They're truffle fries.
So we also have these 30-day aged bone-in ribeyes from America's Choice Gourmet, and we're seasoning them with this divine bovine sauce, or excuse me, seasoning. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on them to help the seasoning stick to the steaks. We've got the grill out there, heating up to a perfect searing temperature, and we're gonna grill them up. Okay, so we have our 30-day aged ribeyes spiced up with extra virgin olive oil and the divine bovine from America's Choice Gourmet. Bone-in. We've got the grill nice and hot. All we need to do is sear these up. Okay, so we had Those in the sous vide for just a hair over 2 hours at 130 degrees. So they're already cooked to the perfect eating temperature. Right now, the only thing we're concerned with is searing them. So they should be the perfect medium rare bone-in ribeyes. Seasoned with divine bovine seasoning from America's Choice Gourmet. Okay, so we have our draft beer, which is the perfect complement to this incredible ribeye. Look at that. You can't beat the sous vide method for 30-day aged bone-in ribeye from America's Choice Gourmet. Once again, John, thanks.
Thank you, John.
Fast Eddie says, thank you, John.
Thank you, John.
And of course, our truffle fries. It's a great way to make a side. Anyway, that's good living.